Hello everyone. Okay, today our topic is fuel value. Okay, nilai minyak. Nilai minyak fuel value. Jadi before we learn how to count it, the calculation is very simple. We have to understand what is fuel value dulu lah. Okay, so fuel. Fuel adalah bahan bakar lah, bahan bakar. Bahan bakar adalah bahan yang terbakar di udara. Okay, substances that are burned in the air, yang terbakar di udara lah, to produce heat energy. Setiap bahan bakar, each fuel has different heat of combustion. Lain, memang lain You understand already kan, yang heat of combustion yang kita belajar tu, we have methanol, ethanol, propanol and also butanol. Okay, we learn until up to 4 types of fuel, 4 jenis bahan bakar lah. These are all alcohol lah kan. Okay, jadi each of these have different heat of combustion. Setiap bahan bakar ni lain dia punya haba pembakaran. So apa itu fuel value? The fuel value of a fuel is the amount of heat energy release. Amount of heat energy, jumlah tenaga haba yang dibebaskan when 1 gram of fuel is completely burned in excess oxygen. Okay, so fuel value tu adalah nilai apabila 1 gram bahan bakar itu completely terbakar. And of course, excess oxygen. Tidak boleh insufficient. Tidak boleh dalam keadaan oksigen tidak cukup. So understand what is fuel value. Amount of heat energy yang dibebaskan, release, bila 1 gram, when 1 gram of fuel dibakar dengan completely in excess oxygen. Okay, so unit dia. Unit for fuel value adalah kilojoule per gram. Kenapa per gram? Because the definition say when 1 gram of fuel completely burn. Okay, 1 gram of fuel. So fuel value can also be determined with the heat of combustion. Jadi sangat berkaitan it is relatable with heat of combustion. I hope you still remember how to count heat of combustion. Okay? Now, so fuel value, the formula is like this. After you count the heat of combustion, and then you just have to divide it with the molar mass. Molar mass lah. Molar mass of substance. Apa itu molar mass? Molar mass tu adalah yang ini. Okay? C8H18. So what you do is you just replace this molar mass of C inside it. Macam kita kira biasa tu, you already learn in form 4. Okay, so this is the example of calculation. Let me show you, okay? The heat of combustion of octane. Octane is the 8th member of alkane. 8th member of alkane. You still remember that I showed you already, I told you already yang kita punya petroleum tu kan? We have petroleum. We have fractional distillation, iaitu distillation adalah penyulingan berperingkat. When we distillate, bila kita kasih suling petroleum, dia ada different boiling points. So different boiling points ada different substances that have different usage. Ada yang guna untuk masak, ada yang guna untuk isi minyak kereta, ada yang guna untuk isi minyak kapal terbang, and so on. So ada yang guna untuk buat bitumen. Bitumen is the yang untuk buat jalan raya itulah. Okay, so different boiling point, different fuel, okay, different substances. So itu minyak masak tu kan di atas. Okay, you still remember butane, gas butana untuk memasak. But this one, this calculation, it shows you how to calculate the heat of combustion of octane. Member yang ke-8. My elephant pergi beli pen hingga hilang orang. See, this is number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 8. C8H18, because the formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Okay? Jadi dia sudah bagi tahu the question already tell you the heat of combustion is 5,500 kilojoule per mole. So kamu tidak payah kira lagi. So the soalan say calculate the fuel value of octane. How to calculate fuel value? Kamu sudah ada heat of combustion. So you just have to count what is the molar mass lah. So molar mass dia C8H18. 8 times 12 plus 18, ini no problem kan? You have 114. So how to count the combustion dia? You just take the heat of combustion 5500, memang sudah diberi. If the soalan tidak bagi, then you have to count lah. And then you divide it by the molar mass, 114. So dapat na, you can see the formula here. Okay, apa yang kita buat adalah we cancel out the mole. So what you have adalah kilojoule per gram saja. Okay, yang tertinggal. So this is your heat value. So this is the heat release. Inilah apa yang dibebaskan apabila 1 gram of octane terbakar. When 1 gram of octane terbakar. Okay. Therefore, the fuel value of octane is 48.2 kilojoule per gram. Begitu sajalah. This one is for your info. I hope you lepas ni kamu tahu sudahlah. Jangan lagi tidak tahu what is RON. Selama ni if you follow your parents and you go and isi gas, you will see RON 97, RON 98. Apa betul sebenarnya? So fuel for vehicles are known as RON 95 and 97. RON refers to research octane number. Research octane number. Fuel with a higher RON is more difficult to burn. So fuel with a lower RON will burn easily. That is why kereta teacher pakai 95. Tapi kalau kereta besar pakai 97. Higher RON kan? Higher RON. Dia pakai lah 97. Kereta lori, bus, begitu. My car I use 95. Okay? Because it can burn easily. Sesuai lah untuk kereta kecil. Okay, let us see this one. Octane has a higher fuel value than methane. Memanglah bahkan because octane tu kan the 8th member and then methane tu is the first member kan. Look at this, methane. And then octane, mana octane? Octane sudah we count just now is 48 kan, 0.2. You see this methane, 27 saja. But its combustion will produce more soot. Memanglah. Octane formula is C8H18. Methane formula is CH456 kan? CH4. Okay, CH4. So it has less carbon. Kalau octane, carbon dia sudah 8 here. If you count the percentage of carbon in this both of these, you will see that of course octane has a higher percentage of mass for carbon compared to methane. Sebab dia punya carbon lebih besar. So given a choice, soot maksudnya jelaga. So given a choice, which fuel would you choose to cook with? Memanglah ba methane kan? Sebab sikit saja the soot. You know how it looks like the soot inside your kitchen. You see your ceiling. You see your kitchen ceiling and then you see kalau ada terlampau hitam di sana tu, soot lah tu. Itulah bukti. That is the evidence of soot present. Okay? Soot hadir apabila metana and octana dibakar. Okay, so let us look at this one. This is the fuel values. As you can see here, wood 20 saja, methane 27, charcoal arang 30, ethanol alcohol 30, petrol bikin isi kereta 34, kerosene kapal terbang, natural gas hydrogen. So line fuel lain dia punya fuel value and line fuel lain kegunaan dia. Okay, so factors in selection of fuel, choice of fuel, mestilah tengok fuel value dia. Okay, berapa value, how much heat is released when 1 gram of the fuel is burned completely. And then one more thing is availability and source of substance. Janganlah ambil yang susah mau dapatkan. Ambillah yang sentiasa available. And then of course the cost also. Janganlah ambil yang mahal, ambillah yang murah. Okay, effects of fuel on the environment. Of course, okay, kita mesti mau jaga alam sekitar. So that's all. Itu saja sebenarnya yang I want to teach you today. So let us go to Cikgu Azmi's book and then we see the exercise about fuel value. Okay, siap. Fuel value is in chapter 3. Okay, so this is the exercise in Cikgu Azmi's book in page 181. Fuel values. The meaning is here already. Okay, sama macam buku teks. Heat energy released when 1 gram of fuel is burned in excess oxygen. Okay, Jadi please complete the exercise here in page 182 and 183. Itu saja. Okay, itu saja. So you can see, if you have any question, you can ask me personally or directly inside our group. Thank